Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install or uninstall a Chrome extension. So for example, I can search here keyword surfer, and also you can type keyword Chrome extension. So guys, here you can see chromewebstore.google.com. Just click here, and after that here you can see the button add to Chrome. Simply install it, then click add extension. So guys, here you can see extension is installing, and it will take just few seconds to install. Alright, here you can see extension is installed. Just click here on the extension icon, and here you can see this one. Then if you want to pin it, just click here, and now here you can see it is displaying here. In this way you can easily install any Chrome extension. So if you want to uninstall it, just you can right click and remove from Chrome, then click on the remove button. So guys, you can see how is to install or uninstall a Chrome extension.